Hi everyone, just wanted to give you an update. So I've been trialing getting some screens off of eBay to repair with, just because I'm seeing which seller is best for me at the moment. But yeah, so I bought this one. It was sold to me as a manufacturer screen, OEM screen. So in other words, it's the same quality and it's built by the same tools and people that build the actual Apple screens for Apple. However, once I installed it and went to reprogram the screen so that True Tone and everything worked perfectly on it, I found out that the True Tone chip was missing from it. So that means that this is not a manufacturer's screen as it was sold to me. And I paid a fair price for it. Yeah, so I've been missold on eBay for what is in effect a £10 screen, which is a load of rubbish. It doesn't work properly. It looks weird when you put it on. It doesn't look original. And to be honest, I'm not happy with giving that to anyone. I'm not happy reselling a phone that's not up to my standards. So yep, that's going straight back to the seller with an angry email. I've got new parts coming on the way, brand new manufacturer specification screens. So yeah, stay tuned.